Let us meet the third friend of Anna. So, she is Dana. So, Dana lives in a house at 2, negative 4. So, I will plot the exact location of Dana's house. So, we have 2, negative 4. And Dana's house is located at quadrant 4. Okay, so the question is, how far apart are Dana and Anna's house? Okay, let us identify the distance, anak, between Anna's house and Dana's house. If we're going to connect the 2 points, okay, do you think this line is vertical? No. Do you think this line is horizontal? No. So therefore, we cannot apply the given formula. So what we're going to do is we need to apply the distance formula. Okay, so and the distance formula is, okay, distance formula is equal to the square root, okay, of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay, class, distance formula is derived from the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let us try an example. Okay, so the given ordered pair, so we have negative 2, 3, and we have also 2, negative 4. Let us observe the given. Check natin if we can apply the horizontal and the vertical distance. Tingnan natin sa x-coordinate. Equal po ba? No. Sa y-coordinate? No. So therefore, we cannot apply the 2 formula. So this time, we need to apply na the distance formula. First, I will write the distance formula. Distance is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Then after that, put a label. Same procedure. So how to put a label? First, write xy, xy, and what? 1, 1, 2, 2. Then after that, substitute na po natin siya sa ating formula. Distance is equal to the square root of, okay, what is x sub 2, anak? Ay, sir na po. What is x sub 2? Positive 2. Ito po yun, x sub 2. Minus, what is x sub 1? Negative, so use another parenthesis. Squared. Plus, what is y sub 2? What is the sign? Negative 4. Minus, y sub 1? 3. Then squared. Then after that, simplify. So this time, anak, let us apply PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? Parenthesis first. Okay, dito muna tayo. 2 minus negative 2. Cannot be applied. Cha-cha. Change. Change. 2 plus 2. 4. And then square. Plus, negative. May minus. Apply cha-cha po ulit. Okay, same and like. Same and like. Same. Add or subtract. Add. 4 plus 3. 7. What is the sign of the two numbers? Negative. Then squared again. Then after that, after parenthesis, what's next? Exponent. PEMDAS, anak. Parenthesis followed by exponent. Dito naman po tayo. Okay, 4 multiply it twice. Kanino? Sa sarili. Diba 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4. 4 times 4. 16. Plus, negative times negative, positive. 7 times 7, 49. Then last step, add na. 16 plus 49. 9. Okay, very good. 65. And the question is, do you think 65 is a perfect square? No. So, kung hindi siya perfect square, ito na po ang ating sagot. So, hindi na natin kukunin yung kanyang square root.